While excavating a burnt spread at Tullen, AMS archaeologists under the direction of Lydia Cagney came upon a wooden bowl which had lain hidden, perhaps for thousands of years, in a peat-filled well. The area around the bowl was very carefully excavated, detailed plans were drawn, and the location of the find was georeferenced using a GPS. It is obvious from tool marks covering the bowl that it was hewn rather than turned on a lathe. It is not quite symmetrical and is perhaps best described as subcircular in shape. There are two roughly rectangular, horizontally set handles on its opposing shoulders, and it also has a groove running on its outside, suggesting it was hung or suspended. Caroline Earwood has reviewed later prehistoric bowls found in Ireland and Britain, and they perhaps provide a very close comparison for the Tullen bowl. They date to the Iron Age, to between the 1st century BC and the 4th century AD. The task of lifting the bowl from its resting place was exacting. Bit by bit, the bowl was painstakingly freed from the peat, and then was carefully lifted onto a board before being packed in peat to be taken off-site. Was the Tullen bowl discarded, lost, or left there deliberately? The groove around the edge does suggest it was suspended. Was this for storage or display? Could it have been used to collect water from the well? It will be interesting to confirm the type of wood it was made from, and to confirm its date. Different types of wood have both practical and symbolic roles, and its date or chronological context will be essential in our attempts to further its interpretation. The bowl was cleaned and assessed by a conservator before being drawn and photographed by staff at AMS. It is now awaiting further specialist analysis and eventually will be conserved and delivered into the care of the National Museum. Because of the special circumstances and conditions required for wood to survive so long, the number of wooden vessels from late prehistoric Britain and Ireland are not very numerous, and thus the Tullen bowl is a very lovely and informative archaeological find.